How to fix Wi-Fi calling not working in Moto G Stylus. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. Now go back. After that, turn on or turn off flight mode, open setting. Now in settings, scroll down, click on network at internet. Now here you will see airplane mode. And if you want to turn on flight mode, then turn on this button. After turning on this button, turn on flight mode from your phone. And if you want to turn off flight mode, then turn off this button. After turning off this button, turn off flight mode from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update, open settings, scroll down, click on system update, click on check for update and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, factory data reset, open setting, scroll down, click on system, click on reset option, click on erase all data factory reset and click on erase all data. After click on erase all data, photo, video, picture will be erased or delete from your phone. This is how you can fix Wi-Fi calling not working in Moto G Stylus. I hope so you like this video and thanks for watching this video.